How are ya?
How are you, my man?
Good, good.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, same. How you been?
Yeah, well, very well, thanks. Very well. Oh, I beg your pardon. Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
My mistake. Yeah, let me.
No, all good, no, all good.
Yeah.
Let's like serious project. Guys, so we have little upgrades today. So the first one is the Lighttech chain adjusters in blue, and we also have the Grido's rear sets. We're gonna try the spark exhaust. So just a sneak peek of what it goes. Gonna be next on our bike. So stay tuned. Hey guys, again at Teammoto, I'm gonna unveil the CBR, the Honda CBR 650R22 in blue. Now this is a new color scheme which a friend of mine bought. And the only addition right now that it has is the organ ups, which we all do and we all need. But look at this color, man. Freaking amazing. Really like it. I think they have a minor upgrade on the screen. Will do it. Yeah, in terms of design, this thing is sick, but I just personally don't really like the tail here. But I do think you can get some aftermarket stuff for that end to just clean it up a bit.